Why are you watching and you're not subscribed?
Wait.
Hey, do you want to know where Donald is? Do you want to know where Donald is?
Wait. Why you not subscribed?
Oh, here's Donald.
Yo, I promise you, if it says 99% is not subscribed, I'm
yeah,
not...
99% watch.
We're never making a vending machine video.
We're never making a vending. Y'all can beast for these, and we don't care. We're not making them anymore.
Bump these vending machine videos, bro. Hey yo, I'm mad, bro. Some people be charging bros for a course just to learn how to do vending machines.
And we're giving it to y'all for free. No course. No
free,
money.
99.
Free information. So watch. But anyways, we're gonna give you guys some time. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright guys. What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Sarahkay.
I'm Donald.
And this is Everything DSK.
So if you guys already know, we're the founders and CEOs of DSK Products and DSK Vending. So today, what are we doing, Sarahkay?
We're filling up our vending machine.
So we haven't been here in over a week, and we already got like mad empty slots.
It's been more than a week. You be capping, it'd be like 2 weeks. We haven't been here, let's be honest. We haven't been back here in like 3 weeks, y'all. 2 weeks?
It was like a week.
2 weeks, Donald. It's been 2 weeks. How are you gonna?
It's been 2 weeks.
It's been 2 weeks.
But we're here, so if you guys peep, you guys see already. We got a few empty slots. An empty slot here.
If you guys been keeping up, these two, the motors don't work.
So we're fixing the motor on these ones.
Yeah.
Empty slot.
And another empty slot here. I tell Donna all the time, only one machine needs to be here. There's no reason we have 2 machines here. The population here is probably like 50 to 70 people on a good day. There's no reason why we have 2 vending machines here. We only need one. We only need one.
Girl, the parking lot be filled when I be here sometimes.
Okay, but there's no reason to have 2 vending machines.
But mind you, the car reader does not work. Car reader, this machine doesn't say car reader. So let's fill up the vending. Let's see how much we made. Let's fill up the vending machine.
Voila, here's $1 stuck in the corner. Ooh, we got lots of coins. Ooh. This is the first time we ever had coins.
So guys, look at all these juicy quarters. Feel like I run a laundromat out here, you feel me?
Anyways, Donna was talking about centennial quarters.
We're looking for them, bro, you feel me?
Yeah.
I'm not selling them though, you feel me? I'm starting a collection.
What is centennial, Donald?
I think it's like 1900.
Yeah, they're worth like $5. It's pretty cool. Now this is the machine in the previous video that we had to break into because the keys got ran over.
Yeah, like 5 videos ago.
Okay. Ooh.
Money keep coming in. I can't lose.
Oh, some 5s in here.
Some 5.
5 just dropped. Pick it up, Donald.
Yes.
This is probably the biggest collection we've ever had. I know this is gonna be like $100 because this is juicy. Lots of money. Because this is the first time in both machines it's like this much money. Usually one machine always does better than the other, but this is really good. We got no complaints for 2 weeks. Nobody called us saying anything was stuck. I see some 5s in here, so we're about to count all of this up. Not you counting the quarters like that. Look how he's counting them. Like groups of 4 stacked up. That's so funny. Look at that mountain. All right, Donald, you do the honors. How much did we make?
So we have $104 in cash. We have a few 5s in here, and we made $6.75 for the coin. So in total, that's $110.75 in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks, guys, this was our best week.
Anybody who's thinking about starting a vending machine business, bro, starting now, I'll throw up the money, but it's too.
Yeah, we finally found what they like, what they really like to buy, you know, and that's what we're putting in the machine now. So it was a good week. Yes.
So if you guys didn't know too, we also started another business. This is not the only thing we do, so we're trying to start.
Go check out our other video.
Multiple streams
of income, passive income. Go check out our other video.
So mind you, we got something big coming up for you guys. You feel me? We're saving every cent we have, like
for something greater than this.
Princess and the Frog type junk. You feel me?
Cause I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gotta from everywhere. Cause I'm almost there. I always think about this. Like, there's a camera here. They probably watched this film back. Like, these kids are losers. 'Cause I'm almost.
Alright guys, now it's time. Let's fill up the machine for real. And catch you.
'Cause I'm almost.
Alright, go ahead.
Catch you on the flip. So guys, the problem we had last time is we were filling the machine and we were not managing, we were not putting in how much snacks we put in replace. So we go to, what is it again? What did we go to again? What did we go to again?
Manage.
So you go to manage, and then you go to review bin quantity, and then we have to go through each and every slot, making sure we put in the number matches how much the machine thinks we have. Hey guys, so we're all done filling up the machines. They look beautiful, and we're about to head back to campus.
Guys, we're out these waters. We're hungry. You feel me?
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat. Ow.
You missed it, man.
Give yourself a pat on the back. We appreciate y'all. Love y'all.
CC gang.
Love the haters too. Mwah.
CC gang.